Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to create a database in MySQL using PHPMyAdmin. Before we start, I would like to give warning to everyone that this operation is very dangerous in a sense that once you delete the database in MySQL, there's no way to recover that particular database. It is permanently deleted from your hard drive of your computer. The only reason that we delete a database in our system, sometimes that particular database is no longer needed, or we want to create a new one. So be careful in doing this operation. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. Before we start, make sure that your your SAM control panel is running, your Apache and MySQL services is already running. The next step that we will do is to go to our browser. To open your PHPMyAdmin, simply type localhost and PHPMyAdmin. I have here several databases. I would like to delete this particular database known as course dormitory 1001. It is no longer needed. To select a particular database, we simply click this particular database, and then we can confirm that this particular database is selected by this portion known as course dormitory 10001. Now, as I said earlier in my video, be careful. Make sure you have a backup copy of this particular database, and or this database is no longer needed by your system. The operation in PHPMyAdmin is drop. So here in SQL statement, it is also drop. So let us go to more in menu and operations. Click. Now let us move downwards, and then we have here drop the database or remove database. So as I said, careful, be cautious in doing this operation. There's no way you can recover once the database is already deleted and then you don't have any SQL dump file. So click here, drop the database. It will ask you if you want to drop this database permanently. You are about to destroy a complete database. Do you really want to execute drop database of database known as cost underscore dormitory 10001 question mark? Okay. Processing request. It takes some time because there are so many tables here. So it will give you this message, MySQL return empty. Okay, so as you can see in our list of database, there's no known as cost underscore dormitory 1001 database that is already existing in our PHPMyAdmin. That's it. That is the way how we delete a database in MySQL using PHPMyAdmin. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Thank you very much guys for watching. Bye bye for now.